What's up everyone, today I'm gonna show you few ways to create some titles for your videos. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Faizan and I'm your host. And if you guys like this type of content, make sure you hit the like, subscribe and the bell notification button. And I can assure you, you won't regret it. So let's not waste time anymore. The first method is Stencil Luma title effect, and it is an easy one to apply it. Go to the Titles and Generators tab and type in basic title. Drag the basic title onto the clip. Go to the inspector window and type in whatever you like. But for this example, I am typing Stencil Luma. Change its font to something like bold. But for this example, I am choosing Impact. Resize it until you are happy with it. And reposition it too. And if you want, you can change its tracking as well. Click on the video inspector in the inspector window. Change its blend mode to Stencil Luma. And that's it, done. But we can add more tweaks in it, like you all saw at the beginning. Select the point from where you want the video clip to appear from your text layer. Add a keyframe to scale all and position. Now move about 20 frames to the right by holding Shift key and press right arrow key on your keyboard. That's 20 frames. Scale our text by adding the value. Now guys, these amount which I wrote, I have already experimented with these numbers, which is why I am typing these, because I know these works best, but not for you maybe. You can have to derive your own values or something according to your text layer. So when I'm gonna push play, this effect will look like this. Second effect is masking text effect. Drag the basic title onto the clip. Type in whatever you like. Change its font. Again, I'm selecting Impact. Resize it. And if you want, change its tracking too. And I'm clicking on all caps. It's all depend upon you. Whether you want the all caps check box on or not. It's all depend upon you. Go to the Effects tab and type in Draw Mask. Apply the Draw Mask onto the title layer. Let me zoom in. Now we want our text on the back of this building. So what we need to do here is we're gonna mask out the building. So we need to add control points on the building. As you can see, when I am adding a control point, it suddenly changed into a move tool and we are accidentally changing our text position. Now to overcome that hurdle, there are two ways. The one way is we change our title layer into compound clip. Once we done that, you cannot make any changes further, like change the text, color, etc. But there is a second method. Go to this select option here and choose position. So the position tool, it allows you to draw the mask without altering the text position. As you can see, when we completed our mask, it masked out the other text outside the mask bounding box. So we need to invert this. Go to the video inspector and click on invert mask. See this? Now our text is behind that skyscraper. And now when you choose the select tool, you can again move your text like this. It's all depend upon you, whether you want the effect to change or not, it's all depend on you. Now the third effect is glitch text in effect. Now this image which I have already created in Photoshop, now I'm gonna glitch in and glitch out. And for this effect, I have some transitions like glitch diagonal. Now when I push play, this effect will look like this. And if you all want this transition, I have given its download link in the description down below, so you guys must check it out. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you all like this tutorial, and if this tutorial helps you in any way, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and hit the bell icon so that you guys don't miss out a video like this. Thanks for watching. Now I'm signing off. You guys must take care. Stay safe. See you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye, adios, arrivederci, au revoir.